You may listen to this recording while resting, sitting comfortably, or during gentle, familiar movement. Allow yourself to remain aware of your surroundings as you listen. There is nothing you need to do and nothing you need to force. These words are not here to take you away from the present moment, but to help your body settle while you remain safely aware. You do not need to believe them. You do not need to analyse them. Simply let the sound of my voice rest in the background of your awareness. And your mind can listen lightly, while another part of you continues to notice the room, the space around you, and the world nearby. Whatever is ready to soften may soften. Whatever is ready to change can begin gently. As you listen, you can continue what you are doing. There is no need to concentrate. Your attention may follow the words or drift elsewhere and then return again. Returning happens naturally. You may notice where you are right now. A sound nearby, or a more distant one. Light in the room. The feeling of air on your skin, or the contact of your body with the chair, floor, or ground beneath you. You are here, and nothing else is required in this moment. The critical voice once served a purpose. It tried to prevent mistakes. It tried to avoid rejection. It tried to prepare you for possible judgment. It believed pressure created safety. So it spoke often, repeating reminders, corrections, warnings, and the mind learned to listen. Over time, it began to feel necessary. But pressure is not protection. Attack is not guidance. Right now, nothing needs correcting. Nothing is being evaluated. The subconscious can begin to recognise that harshness is no longer required. You do not need to speak to yourself internally in a way you would never use towards someone you care about. The body listens to internal language. You may even notice a reaction when you hear certain words in your mind. Perhaps tension, tightness, a holding in the chest, jaw, or stomach, or simply a subtle awareness. As the language softens, the system softens too. You are not removing the inner voice. You are changing its tone. Neutral can replace criticism. Observation can replace judgment. You are allowed to notice without condemning. You are allowed to make errors without identity being threatened. Learning does not require punishment. Growth does not require pressure. You might notice small pauses beginning to appear. A brief space between something happening and your reaction to it. That space is important. In that space, choice exists. In that space, kindness becomes possible. And kindness is regulating to the nervous system. Your system learns that safety increases when internal language becomes steady and calm. You do not have to force positive thinking. You only allow steadier thinking. Sometimes the mind will still criticize. And when it does, nothing has gone wrong. You may simply notice it and allow the words to pass without following them. Just as sounds outside you come and go, each time this happens, the habit loosens. Again and again and again. Gradually, the urgency reduces. The body no longer braces against its own thoughts, and a quieter awareness begins to replace the old pattern. Not silence, not perfection, just steadiness. a mind that guides rather than pressures. And as you continue your day, a part of you now understands. You can think without attacking yourself. You can notice without judging yourself. You can learn while remaining safe inside your own mind. These words continue to settle in the background of your awareness. There is nothing you need to remember and nothing you need to work out. The subconscious integrates naturally, gently, and safely. You may notice small shifts or no obvious changes at all. Both are signs of integration. Now gently bring a little more awareness to your surroundings. Notice the space around you. Notice something you can see. Something you can hear. And one place your body is supported. This helps your mind and body return together. Calm and present at the same time. You can return to this recording whenever you wish. And for now, continue with your day. Steady, aware, and enough.